Everyone is talking about 79th World Health Assembly, daily update, May 23, 2026, but nobody is saying this. YouTube velocity score, 0.000. That's not speculation, that's what the numbers show. By the time this ends, you'll understand exactly why 79th World Health Assembly, daily update, May 23, 2026 is reshaping technology and what it means for the decisions ahead. The information coming is not available in a single place anywhere else. Keep watching. Here's what the data actually shows. Topic surfaced across two independent sources, RSS_NYT_home, who_RSS. The conventional explanation falls apart the moment you look at the numbers. Estimated topic age, 1.2 hours. The research makes it impossible to ignore. YouTube velocity score, 0.000. Google breakout rate, 0.000, and that changes how you have to think about everything that follows. Opportunity window, approximately 46 hours. The part that changes everything comes next. Trend opportunity score, 0.217. For decades the same assumption has driven every decision in this space. Recommended angle, the truth about 79th World Health Assembly, daily update, May 23, 2026. Nobody is saying what the data reveals is this. Reddit momentum, 0.000. News article density, 1.000. Once you see that, the rest of the picture snaps into focus. Research on 79th World Health